When I'm looking at my mobile phone, it's accurate. I know exactly what my users are getting because it's the same experience. It's very accurate, but it costs a lot. You have to spend money on all these devices. I can have a desk that is covered with devices. It's not very space efficient, and it's kind of boring to do all these manual testing. So always open up, another phone, make tests. It's time consuming. It's boring. What else can we do? So there are hardware emulators and simulators. For all the major systems are there, but it's still sort of manual testing there. We have to open it up in the simulator. We don't have to spend money on the device, but it doesn't actually work very well for video. So like Android, we don't have any video codecs. In Opera Mobile, it doesn't have video tag support. It's like we can't test these things. So that doesn't really work for us very well at all. So instead, what we can use Selenium. We can automate these tests on real devices, and it's just not as boring. Or really, because I can just let it run and I don't have to do it. So we have something called WebDriver. It's great. We don't have it supported for video on Android yet, but for iOS it works great. And there are some issues that come up every now and then, but they kind of go away after a week, so we don't really worry about it. But this automated testing is really important for us. So how do we do this? So the first thing you can do, of course, is just very cheap testing. You can just call the APIs on the video tag. You can seek to a certain time, and you can check the current time. Has it progressed? That's great. That works really well. It's cheap, it's simple, and that'll get you most of the way there. And we can